Good day, viewers. It's another beautiful day. In today's video, I will show you and, of course, explain definitions of terms. So, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to draft a good, well structured definition of terms. Now, okay, so how to get your definition of terms drafted. First, you have to note or take note of these key elements: introduction paragraph, alphabetical listing, operational definitions, conceptual definitions, relevance to the study, clarity, and precision. I'll come to explain that. So now, what is definition of terms? In research, the definition of terms section provides clear meaning for keywords, phrases, or concepts that are central to the study. It ensures that researcher or readers, examiners, and future researchers interpret these terms exactly as the researcher intends. This section removes ambiguity, establishes consistency, and shows the researcher's understanding of the subject matter. Definition of terms can be drawn from existing literature, professional standards, or formulated by the researcher, especially if a term is context specific to the study. For instance, internal audit, effectiveness, or financial control in your topic. So now, key elements of definition of terms section includes introduction paragraph. Here, a short paragraph explaining the purpose of defining terms. Alphabetical listing of key terms. Each term should be arranged alphabetically to make it easy to locate. Operational definitions. Provide meanings of terms as they are used in the context of your study, not just dictionary definitions. Conceptual definitions that are here, this one is optional. So this one present theoretical meanings when terms are derived from theory or prior research. Relevance of the study. Each definition should show how the term applies to your research topic or variables. Clarity and precision. Use simple, direct language and avoid secular definitions or unnecessary technical jargons. So let's proceed to using our customized ChatGPT prompt to draft a well-structured definition of terms. You're already conversant with opening your system, so you go straight to your browser and type ChatGPT, enter, and then wait for the customized prompts to pop up. Perfect. You right click and open it in a new tab. You get your format and go back to your browser. You paste, you ask the prompt to write. Start writing your project now. So you paste and enter. Remember, we're writing definition of terms. So the prompt will ask which of the chapter I would like to begin. I'll prompt it to write chapter 1.7, which is the definition of terms. Perfect. So in less than 1 minute I've gotten my definition of terms. You can see a well-structured definition of terms. This can only be possible if you're using customized prompts. That's why do not be in a haste to end this video. Rather, endeavor to click the link below and get your customized prompt. Yeah, so from here you copy, go to your file in Microsoft, paste. That's where you can do necessary editing, like you can remove this if you don't want. Also remove the line, it's not necessary. Okay. Beautiful. So our definition of terms is ready. All I have to do is to go back to my browser. If I wish to prompt it to write, to go to the next section, I'll just type next and it will give me rationale for the study. Thank you so much for sitting tight and learning with me. Please subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share so you can solve your friend's problem. Thank you. I still remain Rich Aided, your research consultant.